Today I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go! Hi guys, I hope you're well. I'm very excited to see you back on this YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 27 years old. I live in Spain in Barcelona, but I'm French, as you probably can hear with my accent, so sorry in advance. I created a few months ago my company, Palm Luxury Store. I'm gonna put you like the link of the website here, or you can directly click on the description below, on the link in the description below the video. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video if you like my type of content. So every Wednesday I have a bag drop and accessories to sell. And every Sunday I make you like another type of luxury video where I do like mostly unboxing, talking about new trends, what I like, what I don't like about luxury, if you have any questions, and etc. So this is really like this about my channel. I also have like a French YouTube channel. If you prefer to hear me in French, you can go and see. It's like margavalux FR. That's it. So if you want to buy from Palm Luxury Store, so from me, you can go either on the website and buy directly with a credit card or transfer bancaire or bank transfer, or you can contact me under the video or by Instagram message. I will make you an invoice and you can pay by bank transfer directly. If you want to pay in like 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, it's completely possible. I allow like payment plans, so don't hesitate to contact me also for this. You can contact me by message, but be quick because lots of we have more and more people coming on the videos and on the website, so it goes fast. And if you want to receive the email when everything drops on the website, go on the website margavaluxpro.com, put your email at early access, and you will receive the email every Wednesday with the new items I have. Okay, so obviously I ship worldwide with UPS or DHL. We ship from Spain and we do not cover custom and taxes, guys. Voila, that's it. So we're gonna start with the first item I want to show you, and this is this amazing toiletry pouch 26. This is a lot of people are looking for this for cheap price, and this is harder and harder to get it because it's kind of discontinued in store. If you have a good essay, she or he can find it for you, but if not, it's not really like buyable on the website or whatever. So here we have the pouch. The outside of the pouch is in very good condition. The canvas is very nice, not dry. We have some damage on the corner, but it's like usual damage, and the corners are a little bit rubbed, but it's usual on this kind of pouch. Also, the hardware is used as leather part here. It's really like caramelized a lot, kind of. This is not a new one. This is kind of a vintage one, so obviously. And the inside has stain. I'm not gonna lie, this was used. I think probably if you know how to remove it, you can clean it perfectly. I mean, it is possible, I think. But otherwise, it has stains inside. But this is all, and the price is gonna be like amazing. The price is 250 euro. I'm gonna put for each item the price in euro and the approximate price in USD. Anyway, when you go on the website, and if I don't know if you are connected, for example, from the UK, you're gonna have pounds. If you are connected from the US, you're gonna have USD, and so on. So you can pay in your own money. Okay, this is all for this one. I'm gonna go for this one. So this is a Chanel item. We have a box here. We had the dust bag, which is cool. We have like multiple paper, and I'm gonna show you right now. This is such a nice wallet. This is the long wallet from Chanel, caviar leather in black, and this is a boy one, as you can see. Hardware is silver, and it looks amazing. I don't know what to say. This is going to leave, this is gonna be sold out in 2 seconds, guys. So if you want it and you see this video, go very, very quickly. If you see this video like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year later, go on the description and check what is still available or not. I will try. I don't promise anything, but I will try to upload each time something is sold and to put like sold on the link of the item, but otherwise maybe there is like new things on the website. So far, try to go on the website and check what's available, or click on the links below the video and see, but who knows. Anyway, this is a very good one. The condition on this one is very good actually. The only thing about this one is the corners are a little bit rubbed, but just a little bit, and one stitches here is like not that good, but you will see on the photos. Always, I have every photo and description on the website. Okay, so for the outside, actually this is all because otherwise it's in a very good condition. The zipper actually open and close very good, and when you open, this is so huge. This is a very, very useful one. You have so many pockets. This is insane actually. So first, we have this one here. So this is actually very good. You have the Chanel one here. We have like lots of card spots, another pocket here. Then you have the coin section here. In very good condition actually, like no stain. Another pocket here, another one here, another one here, and a last one here with cards slots just here. You have a made in Spain, and we have the sticker inside just here, and it starts with 23. This is so good, guys, and the price will be amazing, and you'll be shocked. This is 50% off the retail price for European price, and the price is so good. The price is 589 euro, guys. So this is available right now. Go get it. We're gonna go through another item I want to show you. I'm gonna just close it like properly, well. And we're gonna go for, oh yes, this one. So this is a Louis Vuitton bag clutch, can I say? And this is a very, very, very nice one. This is kind of beige taupe color, and this is epi leather and classic smooth leather. I love this one. The condition is amazing. The condition of the pochette and bag is just perfect inside, outside. The only thing I'm going to tell you just after, but I want to enjoy and appreciate the bag with you guys. So the outside is insane. You have like the epi leather part, which is perfect on the outside because this is very, very resistant. And here you have a more smooth leather with the LV logo. Then when you open the bag, you can clearly see like you have like spots for credit card, 4 different actually credit card or other cards. And then you have the inside, which is like beige kind of fabric, and you have a little pocket inside, so this is very good. You have a Louis Vuitton made in Spain, and no, this is a very, very gorgeous one. The condition is very good. You have a, yeah, we had a serial number here. I'm not really, I can't really see properly here, but it is present anyway. And yeah, the inside is gorgeous actually. The only thing about this one, guys, is the strap. I think it's not usable because you can't really see here, but it's almost broken. It's almost broken here, guys, just here. Like it's just one stitching, I think, but I think it's almost broken. And I'm not sure it's gonna last forever. Here too, it's like not in very good condition. For each hole, it's like almost broken, but here it's bad. It's very, very bad. I think it's gonna break anyway. So I don't think you can like really use the strap. I think you're gonna have to change it. You can use with a chain. It's gonna be very, very, very gorgeous, and the price will go with it. It's 249 euro. So this is so worth it. This is so, so, so worth it. Okay, and like a little chain, you can buy it for like not even 10 euro on Amazon or Etsy, and you have like very gorgeous one. And I think it's gonna be like even more beautiful. I'll try to have like maybe a photo here with the chain I will try. I don't like promise you anything, but I will try. Okay, we're gonna go for this amazing bag. Okay, I'm gonna put this here and here. So this is a Celine bag. This is a luggage one, and this is like a beige taupe kind of grain leather. So this is actually super nice. I really like it. The condition of this bag is actually good. I'm not gonna lie, it's not perfect because the inside you will see is as stains, but otherwise the outside is in very good condition. Actually, you have like a little stain here. Where was it? here also and here, but it's very, very, very small. Outside, like on the bottom of the bag, you have no stain. This is pretty good. Well, except here on the corner, it's a little bit like damaged, but very, very little. Otherwise, on the back of the bag now, you have like a little stain here and here. Voila. But here, yeah, it's a little bit damaged, but it's nothing that much. And a little stain here. I think it can be removed, actually. I think, yeah, it can be like very easily removed. Otherwise, the condition of this bag is insane. And the inside now, so you have the inside, which is like pretty big, and you have like a pocket with a zipper and 2 other pockets on the side. The inside of the bag is in suede leather, kind of, and it has stains inside, like you have blue pen marks and little stain. So you can see on the photo, you can check, you have like the serial number at the back, at the end of the pocket inside. Yeah, it is here. And otherwise the bag is amazing. This is such a very useful bag, like an everyday bag, and the color is just perfect for spring summer, even for like the whole year actually. And the price for this one is 530 euro. So this is right now available on the website, so if you want it, go grab it like very, very, very quick. Okay, I'll try to put this here. Anyway, we're gonna go for now the last one I want to show you, and this is this amazing Louis Vuitton bag. We have the dust bag, and I'm gonna show you right now what is inside. So we have this amazing, we have this very cute bag. This is a Montaigne. This is the medium size, and this one is gorgeous. Like, let me show you. This is crazy, and obviously we have a strap for this beautiful bag. Look at this. This is such a versatile bag because you can use it like by hand, on the shoulder with the strap. So this is super nice, and it's actually very big inside. You're gonna see. So the condition of this bag is almost brand new. Yes, it is. So what else can I tell you about? The outside of the bag is perfect. Like the Canva monogram is brand new. Even the leather parts are perfect. The only thing is on the top handle here, you have 3 little marks, but it's very little, and otherwise it's brand new. Here you have the keys, and you have like a dark spot here and here, but it's very little, and you can put this inside the bag. Otherwise, I'm going to show you like the inside of the bag. So we have the locker who goes with the keys here. You can use to put like here or whatever, or here, whatever you want. I'm going to put this just here, and I'm going to show you, I will try to show you the inside of the bag. Okay, so here how it is composed. So we have 3 different spaces on this bag. So first of all, the inside of the bag is suede leather violet. So this is actually pretty fancy. We have a first pocket here, very nice, with the Louis Vuitton sticker, leather sticker. We have like the serial number on the leather part, and it says that it's 2018 bag for the year, so this is like very recent actually. And we have another pocket inside with a zipper. The leather part of the zipper is brand new. It's not like caramelized, it's crazy. And actually the pocket is very large inside, so this is super nice. The other pocket here has 2 other pockets inside, and it's like very, very good. I don't know what to tell you guys because this bag is amazing. And you can also close the bag with here, like this. I don't know if you saw, but yeah, you can also close the bag like this. So I'm just gonna put this back inside the bag. So I'm actually super, super happy for this bag because this is as new. The condition is amazing, and the price also is very good. It's 1,669 euro, which is a very, very good for this everyday bag. I really love this one. This is a Montaigne, and it's funny because Montaigne is the name of a store in France, in Paris, and this is for me the best Louis Vuitton store in Paris. So this is actually kind of funny. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want something, just let me know very quickly. If you don't want to buy anything, but you like this kind of video, just comment the video. I'd be very happy to read you and to answer. You are a little bit more to comment the videos, so I'm very happy. So thank you so much because, you know, I really like when someone just write me a nice word and that you say like, ah, I like this bag, or I don't like this bag, and why. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my videos. I will see you on Sunday for another subject. and I hope to see you soon. So thank you. Bye-bye.